Alrighty, so you have your texture color map painted. It's just a quick trick how to show you guys how to bump up these details. If you haven't seen the previous tutorial that I recorded, how to convert your color textures to displacement maps, a quick and dirty way to do that in Photoshop. So this is, before you even do that, I recommend you do this first. So I'm just going to show you guys the entire process. Ready? So I've imported my color texture. It's pretty simple and easy. What I know what I like to do, I go to filter, camera raw filter. Let me just zoom in here so you can see those details. Ready? Very basic. I only play around with this texture effects over here. I mean, you see, if I crank this up, we start getting those details. You can see if I dial it down, you lose those details over there. So I just cranked it up, and then the clarity maybe just 5. Nothing too much. You can see we starting to get all those details, skin details over there, right there. And then that's it. So quick and easy, and it's updated. Wrap that, and then after you've done that, you can add your black and white, which will give you your displacement. So I normally crank the yellows and some of the reds to just get like a normal flat gray kind of vibes. Something like this, actually, something like that. Righties. Play around with the rest of them. I don't think we have cyan in this. Let's see, so you just look at your texture overall. Righties. And then then there's that. Righty, thank you guys for your time, and you can just export these things as, so this will be your displacement, so you can just export as, and I normally just choose like a JPEG. So this will be your displacement, and then for your color, just turn off this black and white, and then you just export the color. Then you follow the tutorial that I recorded, how to convert your color. So you will apply your color texture and your displacement to bump up those details. Alrighty, again, thank you guys for your time. It's Adrian from ZBrushCore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, all these models, they are available on our website. Some are paid, some are free. Check out 3D Anatomy store and to know more about this. Alrighty, stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.